Horta, look, I'm a pumpkin. Huh? A dancing pumpkin. Ah! What was that noise?
Okay, Juan. We know it's just another funny trick.
Ooh. A papuka! A ghost? Where? Ooh. Papuka!
Juan, this is a terrible trick. There's no ghost here.
I thought we finished playing Bob No Bia and we were going to decorate.
Tiara, stop! It's a puka!
Huh? Wait a second.
Bob No Bia. Sloan.
It was cheap.
That trick was too scary. Yeah, that's not how we like to play Bob No Bia.
I guess not everyone likes when tricks are played.
Oh, sorry, Horta. We thought it would be fun to play some tricks. Tá Broner, Horta.
That's okay. Come on, it's pumpkini time.
Bob No Bia!
I don't know, Pip. I think I've had enough Bob No Bia for today.
RTÉJr.
Huh? Oh, wow! Thank you, Pip.
Thank you, Pip. This is our house.
Good, Margaret.
Hona hona foshti.
Now, Joe, lie down on the bed. No, Joe, turn around.
Oh,
No. All right, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
hello. I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, I'm Ray. I'm the radiologist.
I've hurt my big toe.
We're gonna have to take an X-ray of that.
What's an X-ray?
We'll take a picture of your big toe. Now lie down on the bed.
Let's love sign. Lie down. Lie down. You sign. Lie down. Good. Lie down.
Okay, Joe, let's take a look at this toe.
What happened to your head? Ew.
That's a serious toe situation. He's gonna need medicine. But we don't have any. We're waiting on a delivery.
Medicine? My first delivery! Wait here!
Shoe here. Don't forget your shoe.
Medicine.
That's not medicine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes!
Not!
Yes!
That's lemonade. Now, does your toe feel better?
No.
See? It's not medicine.
Don't worry. I know just what to do.
What?
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Dizzy.
Wow.
Hopefully this medicine will help my foot.
It's time for your x-ray.
Will it hurt?
No.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
Now, Joe, put your foot there. Not that foot.
You.
That's better. Try and get it. That's perfect.
So Thomas.
Don't move. Here we go. Okay. Come on, Archie.
Okay.
We'll go and we'll come back. Stay there.
Oh, there's Tommy Stop, Ruby Make, Lucy Help, Sophie Play, and Emily Share.
What are you dressed as, Tommy?
I'm a deep sea diver. Being underwater can be quite scary sometimes.
I like your teapot costume, Sophie, and your teacup, Lucy.
Is it time for tea?
Why, yes, I think it is. I'm a vampire princess.
You look like a normal princess to me.
I am a normal princess, but it's Halloween, so I'm calling myself a vampire princess. And I'm a dinosaur. Roar. That's not a very loud roar, Emily. I don't want to scare people.
Hi, Sammy.
Boo!
Great ghost costume.
Very scary. Aww.
Oh dear, all Sammy wants to do is give someone a fright on Halloween and eat a cookie or two.
Okay, children, I'm starting the judging now, and the scariest costume will get the Halloween rosette.
Ooh!
Looks like Sammy's had enough of the party already.
Enjoy yourselves. I'll just be walking around looking at all your costumes and writing down my score.
Everyone else seems to be having a fabulous time.
Very original indeed, Tommy, and not the easiest costume to dance in with those flippers.
I'm not dancing. I'm swimming, Miss Teach. Watch out. Here comes a big scary fish.
Okay, who's next?
Arr, shiver me timbers.
Wonderful, Maya. If I didn't know it was you, I'd think there was a real pirate in the room.
I am a real pirate, which is why I'm so scary. Arr!
Maya seems to have impressed Miss Teach.
Ah, Sophie Play and Lucy Help. You are by far the scariest teapot and teacup I've ever seen.
Oh, banana coming through.
And what do we have here? Who's inside this costume, then? What did they say?
I don't know.
Well, a talking banana is scary enough for me. I wouldn't want to find you in my fruit bowl. Okay, then. I think I've seen everybody. All I have to do now is pick a winner. That's not going to be easy at all. Everybody scored very highly. Oh.
How will Miss Teach choose the best costume when they're all so good?
Ah! Goodness me, this little ghost just gave me a fright.
This is Sammy. Hello.
Hello, Sammy. You know, I've never been given a fright before, but it's actually rather fun.
Well done. You scared Miss Teach. Yay!
And I think I'm ready to announce the winner of the scariest costume competition. The prize goes to Sammy Go for having the scariest costume and the best boo I've ever heard.
You did it, Sammy! You were the scariest out of everyone! Boo! Ah!
Get your funny face mask here! Get your funny face mask!
Oh,
You look like a newlie that would have fun with a funny face mask.
what kind of fun?
The best fun ever! I'll show you! Hey, you! You got a face like a squish pandini!
A squished Pondini? That's hilarious!
See? Wearing this mask allows you to be as cheeky as you like, and no one will know it's you.
Why would I say a mean thing to someone?
Because they'll think it's really funny. You saw how that complete stranger reacted, right?
So funny.
Come on, give it a go. Remember, no one will know it's you.
You look like a slimy flob. You're a silly snoodle.
Slimy flob? Silly snoodle? They sound funny.
Not if you're an oolie. To us, it's just plain rude.
Sorry, I didn't know. It doesn't feel good to be called rude names.
Let's go inside and wait for Pom.
Prepare yourselves for the Fia Fandango. Time to move your feet and dance to the beat. Yeah!
A ride. A ride.
Hey, that wasn't part of the dance, Robo.
Stop and robo, Amir.
Uh-oh. Come back here, Robo.
Hey, come back here.
A ride, Lynn. Stop, Robo! Stop, Robo!
Amir, you need to use your Robo Drift to stop on Robo.
Stop, Robo!
What's wrong, Amir?
I wasn't really magic, Fia. I was using a remote control.
Huh?
And now my Robo is out of control.
The Grownups. Charlotte, Amir.
Got it.
The remote control is broken.
Oh, can you fix it, Bamba? I don't think we've time to fix it.
Don't worry, we'll catch him. Come on, everyone.
Eraglin!
No! Tjodrilda!
Kan igjen mitt! Stoppers det!
Top Grownups, Horde. We need to stop on Robo.
But how can we stop him?
Let's think. I know. Pip, can we use your extra sticky tape?
Kitcha.
We can use it to stop on Robo. Everyone grab onto the tape. Eraglin!
Stop Robo! Stop Robo! Stop Robo!
I like being silly. Oh, don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Look
Look at all these amazing costumes!
Like this. Hands up. Hands up.
I've another delivery for you. Wait here. Is this okay? Can I be the Chicken King?
Yes, you can be the Chicken King.
Yes! That makes me happy!
Let's love sign. Happy. Happy. You sign. Happy. Good. Happy.
Are we ready?
No! We need music!
I'm sorry. I'm sad. Wait here.
Let's love sign. Sad. Sad. You sign. Sad. Good. Sad.
Guys, perfect job.
Sammy Go can't sleep. Too many noises in the night and... Oh, hello.
Maya, monster.
Quick, Mya Go, turn on the light.
Huh? I can't see any monsters.
But he's sure he saw a...
Monster!
But there's no such thing as monsters.
It can't be a monster, can it? Monster! There's a monster in there.
There's no such thing as monsters, but if there was, they'd be no match for Mama and Dada Go.
Okay. Mama, you take the front. I've got you covered. Ready?
Mama and Dada Go are on monster patrol.
All clear, Dada Go.
Fee you. Now, this teepee is officially a monster-free zone.
But the monster comes out in the dark. Big! Scary!
Big and scary?
Where?
Dada, the monster is in here. Look! There it is!
Aha!
That's just the shadow of the cuddly toy lion. See?
Oh!
Watch this. Maya, shine your torch on the sheet.
Greetings, Earthlings!
We come from space. We are shadow aliens.
When you block the light, it creates a shadow. See if you can guess what this is. I like carrots and I hop, hop, hop.
Bunny!
Hello, Sammy. I'm Shadow Bunny.
And a woofing rascal.
Look out, Bunny Shadow. It's a shadow doggy.
It looks like Doggy Go has heard a noise.
They're only shadows, Doggy Go. Can I have a go? I'm big and furry. I have paws with claws, and I like to sleep a lot during the winter. What am I? Where? Rawr, rawr. You're right. My turn. I think I know what that is. It's a shadow monster. My monster.
How could a feather be bad luck?
That's what I'm wondering.
Grace! My pirate hat! It's ruined.
Oh dear, someone needs a bath.
How rude. She hurt herself.
That's her bad luck.
And we didn't have anything to do with it.
Are you okay, Pom?
Yes, but I think I'd like to get rid of this feather now.
Hi, Mayor Garth.
Hey, can I borrow that feather? This kite trophy needs a dusting before I present it later.
You don't want this. It's bad luck.
Oh, I don't believe in all that.
Oh.
There, see? Oh, hang on.
See? Bad luck.
It's just dust from the trophy.
Oh, how can I give my speech at the award ceremony if I can't stop? Oh, the trophy.
That's it. We need to do something about this feather.
I know what to do. Hide!